Your doctor uses this stethoscope to listen for heart murmurs. But what are heart murmurs and what do they sound like? Let me show you. A heart murmur is just an extra sound that your heart makes when the blood in your heart flows in the wrong direction. Some murmurs are harmless while others may signal serious heart conditions. Let's listen to 5 common heart murmurs. This is what a normal heart sounds like. Mitral regurgitation murmur. This is when the mitral valve, which is the opening between the chambers of the left heart, allows blood to flow in the wrong direction. Aortic stenosis murmur, which is due to a narrow aortic valve between the left heart and the big artery called the aorta. Mitral valve prolapse murmur. The mitral valve bulges backwards into the left atrium.